Clarity, an original poem by Jacquese Armstrong. It's hard to crash at 20. The leaves fall from the trees and never replace themselves. You learn to look at the grotesque, uncovered bendings of boughs, which its hands, like in the haunting fairy tales, and have compassion. You write poems to dress them daily. They in turn sing blues songs with you and teach you to stand regal unclothed through the winter. Pass by a café, loaded notes escaping, Joni Mitchell, free man in Paris. And I get it. Here's me searching for freedom I have here in the Western world, where insanity equals freedom, because colonial ways strip minds of reality. Definition is everything. Who defines yours?